Okay guys, I am at the Richey Medical Center. This is in the new Port Richey area, and the fire alarms are going off in this building. And right there is a 7002T. And if I go around the building, I'm on my e-scooter, and sorry for that loud noise, that's my brake. But if I go around here, you can also hear a outdoor MT, and there's a bell strobe in here. I do not know what happened. I think possibly a smoke detector had some dust in it or something, but there's no fire. This has been going on for about an hour now. You can probably see the strobe blinking if I move. There you go. That's crazy. And then if I go over here, yeah, I can now hear that MT. It also is an amber strobe. Actually, it probably is a clear strobe, just weathered, but it's flashing yellow. There's a bell strobe right over here. Here's the other entrance. This is unbelievable. This is my first time capturing this. Yep, false alarm.